10 tips for boosting productivity and time management. Set clear goals. Start by setting specific and achievable goals. Break them down into smaller tasks and prioritize them based on importance and urgency. Plan ahead. Take some time to plan your day, week, or month in advance. Create a to-do list or use a planner to organize your tasks and allocate time slots for each activity. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important and high-value tasks and complete them first. This way, you ensure that the essential work gets done even if unexpected interruptions occur later in the day. Avoid multitasking. While it may seem like multitasking increases productivity, it often leads to decreased focus and reduced efficiency. Instead, focus on one task at a time to maximize your concentration and quality of work. Minimize distractions. Identify common distractions in your work environment and take steps to minimize or eliminate them. This could involve turning off notifications on your phone, blocking distracting websites, or finding a quiet place to work. Use time management techniques. Explore time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused bursts of 25 minutes followed by a short break. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Delegate and outsource. Learn to delegate tasks that can be handled by others. If you have access to a team or colleagues, distribute the workload and free up time for more critical responsibilities. Additionally, consider outsourcing tasks that are not your core strengths. Take breaks. Regular breaks can actually improve productivity by allowing you to recharge and maintain focus. Schedule short breaks throughout your workday to rest, stretch, and clear your mind. Practice time blocking. Time blocking involves allocating specific time periods for different activities or types of tasks. This method helps you stay focused on one task at a time and ensures that you dedicate enough time for each activity. Learn to say no. Be selective about taking on additional tasks or commitments. If a new request or opportunity doesn't align with your goals or priorities, politely decline or negotiate deadlines that work better for you.